welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review the Reach exercise cycle. So basically it's an exercise cycle which you can use at home to exercise your lower body, and today we are going to review that. It's a perfect cardio machine available because you can do cross training as well as cycling on same. So let's go ahead and review the product. This is a Reach Orbitrek exercise bike, and this is also a cross trainer. So guys, this is the product. You all can see it here. This is the branding right here. You can see the Reach branding right here, and it's a exercise bike come cross trainer. So you can use it for both, for using it like an exercise bike as well as a cross trainer. Coming to the features of this features adjustable handles, height handles, so you can adjust the height of the handles here by just turning this knob here. You can adjust the height of the handle. Plus it features a LCD monitor here which monitors your calories burned, speed, time taken, and distance that you have covered as well. So this is a monitor here, one touch button they have which changes the modes. Here what we have is the resistance meter. So how much resistance do you want to use? You can use it here. So it turns all the way around. Right now it's at the highest resistance, and I can reduce it to the lowest by turning it the other way around. Again, this bike features large pedals where you can keep your legs easily into place, and it has grips into it so that your legs don't slip. Then it features an adjustable height seat which can be adjusted right here from this knob here. The height of the seat can be adjusted, as well as the forward backward position of the seat can be adjusted from here. There's a knob here for that. It runs on a chain drive which is there. There's a chain inside, you can see that. That's how it runs. There's a resistance belt here which is attached, and that works on the basis of this knob that is given here. So this is an amazing product from Reach, and overall build quality is nice, made from toughened stainless steel, and the build quality is very nice. It's made out of metal, and very few plastic parts are there. Most of the body, the complete body frame of this exercise bike is made out of metal. Overall it's quite heavy to lift, but it has wheels in front. You can see the wheels here, the wheels in front, which can allow you to easily move it from one place to another. The monitor here runs on a single battery, so you can see this. It just requires one battery, and I've been using this exercise bike for over 2 years now, and the experience has been amazing because I haven't faced any issues with it. Also, when you buy it first time, you get a free installation. A person from the company comes to install the bike at your place. So it comes in a small package. All the parts come differently, and then the company person comes home and he assembles it for you. So you don't need to worry about assembly. If you have to assemble it, it is still very easy, and it can be easily assembled because you get all the tools along with the package itself. So yes guys, this is an amazing product here from Reach. It's an exercise bike come cross trainer, so you all can use it like an exercise bike as well as a cross trainer. What I have put here is a mobile holder just for my entertaining purposes, so I can watch videos while I'm exercising as well. So guys, this is my review on the exercise bike from Reach. This is an exercise bike come cross trainer from Reach, and overall build quality is amazing. The resistance it provides is amazing. The level of resistance that it comes with is amazing. It's a complete cardio workout for you at home, and it's a perfect exercise machine to have at home. So guys, this was my review about the Reach Orbitrek exercise bike come cross trainer. If you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel for more such amazing videos.